and all the hot fools are chanting his name. Jay, Jay, Jay. Finally, the champion has come back to the...
Yeah, the champion of losers.
Don't be jealous,
Dear Master Sia, Talofa, it is your humble disciple. No, it is your humble disciple. What?
You got the timer?
Uso, I always got the kaimi.
Give me the countdown.
All right, ready, set, go.
Wait.
What the hell? Oh, man.
You know the 10th steps.
I joyously send you this email to tell you that I have found 2 students for our school.
Poor Shaki. Jimmy told me Shaki got a girl first.
What? So it was Seki's fault.
Nah, it was Angel's fault. She couldn't even keep her man locked down.
Excuse me, sir. We will be closing soon. Please complete your session.
Wait a minute. You smell like Corona. Shut up, man. Don't you have someone else to bother?
You gotta tanto la PCU.
You serious?
Yeah, wow, some not.
You can't even do that one simple thing?
None use. I gotta go to a private lobby.
Say what?